Good morning. Let me tell you the story of the ant and the dove. A dove saw an ant fall into a brook. The ant struggled in vain to reach the bank. And in pity, the dove dropped a blade of straw close beside it, clinging to it like a shipwrecked sailor to a broken spar. The ant floated safely to the shore. Soon after, the ant saw a man getting ready to kill the dove with a stone. But just as he cast the stone, the ant stung him in the heel, so that the pain made him miss the aim. And the startled dove flew to safety in a distant wood. The moral lesson of this short story, my friends, is kindness is never wasted. And never waste any moment without being kind to people. That's how human beings are. Thank you very much. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.